Now, we will going to discuss about the homogeneous function. So, in polynomials in which terms are of the same degree, such as x squared minus 3xy plus 4y squared, x cubed plus y cubed, x to the power of 4 times y plus 7y to the power of 5. You can notice that all of the terms, which is the first equation, have the same degree. So, that is called the homogeneous polynomials. We wish now to extend the concept of homogeneity so that it will apply to functions other than polynomials. If we assign a physical dimension, say length, to each variable x and y in the polynomials in equation 1, then each polynomials itself also has a physical dimension, length to some power. This suggests that This suggests the desired generalization if, when certain variables are taught as lengths, a function has physical dimension length to the kth power, then we shall call the function homogeneous of degree k in those variables. So a formal definition of homogeneity follows. The function f of x and y is said to be homogeneous if degree k in x and y if and only if f f of the constant x and constant y is equals to constant to the power of k of f of x and y. The definition is easily extended to function of more than two variables. So you can call that the function is homogeneous if all terms have the same degree. So we have here the example. But before the example, we will discuss the Theorem 50 and Theorem 51. Theorem 50, if m of x and y and n of x and y are both homogeneous of the same degree, the function m of x and y over n of x and y is homogeneous of degree 0. Theorem 51, if f of x and y is homogeneous of degree 0 in x and y, f of x and y is function of y over x alone. So now we will have the example. So we are going to have obtain the general solution of x squared plus y squared dx minus xy dy is equals to 0. You can notice that all terms have the same degree. X and y, if we multiply their degree, it results the same degree as the degree of dx. So transform the equation. So we will separate x and y dy in the other side. So we have x squared plus y squared y squared dx is equals to xy dy. Since the terms have the same degree, we will use the homogeneous function. So let y is equals to vx, dy is equals to v dx plus x dv. Substitute it to the equation. So let's substitute the value of y and dy to the this equation. So we have here x squared plus vx to the square root of vx dx is equals to x times vx times v dx plus x dv. So we have here x squared, just simplify it, and then factor each term. We have x squared times 1 plus v squared dx. And in the other side, v squared x squared dx plus vx cubed dv. So let's equate it to 0, combine like terms. So we have x squared times 1 plus v squared dx minus v squared x squared dx minus vx cubed dv is equals to 0. So combine like terms, so we have x squared dx plus x squared v squared dx minus v squared x squared dx minus vx cubed dv is equals to 0. So combine like terms, so it will be cancelled, the x squared and v squared dx. So we only have x squared dx minus vx cubed dv is equals to 0. Next is to divide both sides by x squared. So you only have dx minus vx dv is equals to 0. Next is to separate the variables. So we will have the vx dx dv on the right side. So we have dx is equals to vx dv. Next is to divide both sides by x. So we have dx to completely separate the variables before we integrate it. So we have dx over x is equals to vx dv over x. So cancel the x in the right side. Cancel x. So we only have dx over x is equals to v dv. So since all v are grouped in the right side and all x are grouped in the left side, we will now have to integrate them, the both side. So the integral of dx over x is ln x, and the v dv is v squared over 2 plus c. Now, substitute the value of v from here. From here, we have v is equals to y over x. So we have here ln x is equals to, substitute the value of v squared to y over x. So we have y over x squared over 2 plus c. So simplify it. So we have ln x is equals to y squared over x over 2x squared plus c. So put ln x to the other side and c on the other side. So we have here y squared over 2x squared minus ln x is equals to c. Therefore, we obtain the general solution. So that's it, the example of homogeneous function. Note that if you will use the homogeneous function, first is to see the degree of all terms if they are the same before using the homogeneous function, because homogeneous function can be used if all terms have the same degree. And that's all for the homogeneous functions.